Thabarĩ ya mũthia ya mũtigaire Kanja wa Rũru ĩtirihĩirwo mũciĩ kũrĩa arereirwo itũra-inĩ rĩa Chaka kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, igongona-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩgwĩkinyĩtio nĩ arata na andũ a nyũmba yake. Mwario ũmwe thutha wa ũrĩa ũngĩ magĩtarĩria ũhoti wa Kanja wa kũrehe gĩkeno o harĩa athiĩ, agĩtũgĩrio makĩria nĩ ũhoti wake wa kũrehe andũ hamwe na makĩria kũrũmbũyania na mabata ma arĩa mamũrigicĩirie.
Kanja was indeed an incredible man. Kanja was a man like none other. He would fit into any sector of our society with ease.
For the many insights about this man, all those letters he wrote, one thing that was constant is they were always about someone else. Is Mageria okay? Is Gitonga okay? Is so and so doing this? I think here lies a great human being, a person who cared for others and family, and I think that is his greatest legacy.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kambuni ya Royal Media Services Ndagĩtarĩ SK Macharia, kũrĩa mũrũ wa nyina na Kanja Wachira wa Rũru arutaga wĩra ta mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene, agĩcakaya mũtigaire nĩkĩo na wĩrutanĩria wake ũrĩa augĩte nĩguo watũmire akagĩa mũruti wa wĩra mũrũngĩrĩru na ũtongoretie kambuni ĩno na gũkũra na njĩra nene.
If I had not met somebody who knew Kanja and whom I sent and came, it would never have happened. He's sorry that we have never met again, actually, because somehow my movements always get limited.
It's only after he passed away that we realized just how many people had a special place for Kanja in their hearts. We knew he had a big social network. We knew he knew people. But it's, as my brother Gitonga was saying, it's just now we are marveling at just how Kanja touched many lives.
Nyũmba ya Kanja ĩkĩmũririkana nĩ ithenya rĩrĩa atiga nyũmba-inĩ yao. Mũtumia wake Neri Kanja akĩranĩra gũtũra arũmĩtie marĩa athomete mĩaka-inĩ ĩrĩa makoretwo maikaranĩtie.
He was looking forward to years of retirement for him. Years filled with laughter, with travel, more cruises now that we'd enjoyed our first one. The joy of watching children and grandchildren grow. It's hard to believe that those years have been stolen from us, that our time together has been cut so tragically short.
Kanja lived a full life, defined not by the years he spent, but by the impact he made. His was a life of generosity, adventure, and unwavering loyalty. He gave freely, loved deeply, and left a mark on every person who had the privilege of knowing him.
When Gary Mahihu and I returned from India on Sunday with Kanja's body, we were shocked at how many people we found at the airport. There was a parking and almost security crisis at the airport. So many people came to receive Kanja's body. The turnout at the church and the turnout today are all just a testimony of who Kanja is and how much he was appreciated.
To Nelly and the family, we are only saying goodbye to our friend, but not to you. We stand and continue to stand with you. We are part of your family. Not only those here, but many more who would have wished to be here.
Kanja akuire tarĩki 23 mweri mũhĩtũku akĩamũkĩra ũrigitani wa kansa bũrũri-inĩ wa India. Nginya kũhurũka-inĩ gwake mũtigaire Kanja wa Warũru nĩ akũngũĩirwo nĩ kũrehe gĩkeno gatagatĩ ka andũ arĩa othe atũngana nao igũrũ rĩa gũtuma ndũgũ cia gũtũra gatagatĩ ka andũ kuma mĩthiĩre ĩtiganĩte. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma itũra-inĩ rĩa Chaka Kieni kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.